Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are exploring a piece that walks in the line between functional furniture and modern sculpture. Wooden console tables with geometric metal bases. They combine the natural warmth of timber with the precision and edge of metal geometry. It is a marriage of soul and structure, warmth and sharpness, tradition and modernity. Console tables are subtle heroes in interior design. They define entrances, anchor living rooms, and provide surfaces for both utility and display. A well-chosen console table balances scale, draws the eye, and establishes a rhythm in your space. When the tabletop is wood, you gain warmth. When the base is geometric metal, you gain structure and artistry. Together, they create tension and harmony, a visual balance that's quietly magnetic. What makes this combination compelling is the contrast. Wood brings texture, grain, warmth, and a living presence. Metal brings precision, strength, and sculptural form. This duality allows the console table to anchor a room while acting as art. It is tactile yet visually striking, grounding yet dynamic. Placement defines the story. A console table near an entrance sets the tone immediately. Welcoming, intentional, curated. Behind the sofa, it provides both surface and visual interest without overwhelming. Against the wall, it frames art, mirrors, or decorative object. The geometric metal base introduces rhythm and movement, even when the table is still. It doesn't just occupy space, it interacts with it. The beauty of geometric metal is in its precision. Triangles, hexagons, interlocking lines. These shapes create subtle energy. Paired with organic wood, they temper rigidity with warmth. It is a design tension that is elegant and modern, yet approachable. The eye travels along the line, while the hand rests on the smooth timber, a full sensory experience. This isn't just sculpture. Console tables are practical. They hold lamps, books, decorative bowls, and personal items. Yet, because of the geometric metal base, even an empty tabletop reads as intentional design. Every placement, every object enhances the table's sculptural quality. The balance of function and form is what makes this piece timeless. The tabletop's wooden tone defines atmosphere. Light woods bring a modern airy feel. Dark woods add elegance and depth. Reclaimed wood introduces character, grain, variation, and subtle imperfection. The metal can be black, brass, or steel, matte polished or brushed. Together, these choices establish personality: sleek, industrial, refined, or rustic modern. Why this combination resonates? It is a visual metaphor. Nature and structure, warmth and logic. tradition, and innovation. Every glance evokes calmness from the wood, focus from the geometric method, and curiosity about the space around it. More than furniture, it is a dialogue between materials, space, and human perception. This design ages gracefully. Wood develops patina, metal remains structurally strong. The combination transcends trends because it is rooted in contrast, proportion, and sensory balance. It can evolve with your interior style, from mid-century modern to industrial minimalism without losing presence. In the end, a wooden console table with a geometric metal base is more than furniture. It is a focal point, a sculptural anchor, a tactile experience. It defines corners, frames objects, and tells a story without saying a word. When you combine warmth with precision, tradition with geometry, you don't just furnish a room, you curate an experience. So until next time, happy decorating.